Hi, I'm Dr. Erik, and I want to show you how I use this new AI smile simulation software that we got. And it's really revolutionized how I do my smile design. So first we're going to do is insert some quality photos that we have taken, and we're going to let the software do a smile simulation based off of the facial analysis and artificial intelligence. So as you can see, what it was doing was finding the eyes, the nose, pupils and lips. And basically all we're doing is verifying. We're going to look to make sure the lips are good, make sure the eyes are lined up to the horizontal plane. Then we're going to match the teeth. So we're going to click a few points on the teeth to marry the two images, one with retractors, one without. The reason we use the one without is so we can evaluate your gum position. And at this point, if we want, we can do just a quick smile simulation, and you can see how accurate the software is at just putting really nice smile right into place. So assuming we gave it good pictures. Now we can change the library in this instant smile simulation, but I didn't for this case. What I do really like about it is it lets us show the before and after, and it lets us kind of see the like, results. It's really neat. And then we can print that or send it to you or whatever. Assuming we're going forward, our next step is to do the smile planning. And you can see now we're just taking teeth, overlaying them, and they kind of fall right into place. And we can see that we're using this information to give us the proportions. It's going to let us evaluate the gum position, tooth position. So we're putting the teeth in the right position to match not only anatomy of your teeth, but also your smile, your face and eyes, things like that. And we like to look at it with the gums and with smiling so we can really make sure what we're doing is accurate. Once we place the teeth, we can still change the tooth library by clicking the texture library. Um, and we can pick different shapes and things like that. And these are actual smiles, which is pretty neat. Um, but once we do that, we are going to reposition them because they're not exactly the same teeth. And we can just basically hit Control A, select all the teeth, and then reposition them to where we like them. And at this point, what we're going to do is get all that information that we just created using our proportion guides and all that kind of stuff, and get this information to the lab. What they need is basically the eye position, proportions, gum position, things like that. We used to draw pictures and take impressions and things like that, but now it's just gotten so technologically advanced. We can do this all digitally. Um, and you can see we're going to export two data sets, one smiling, one retracted. And that's going to really allow us to kind of show the lab exactly what they need. We can also even show the midline. For some reason, it's not on that one, but I'll make sure we do provide the midline to the lab as well. And there it is. You can see we did have the midline there. We have the proportions, and they will actually look at those numbers and alter things accordingly. And we can sometimes work with a gum special if we need to get the proper gum position too. Um, and there you have it. Really great design, and we can really get awesome smiles.